Meanwhile, opposition spokesman on local government, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, is calling on the authorities to quickly investigate the cause of the fire.
When we determine what has caused it, we can then determine what the response should be. Is it that we need additional security in terms of what's happening down there? Is it that persons are not being careful enough in terms of the other activities? Or is it arson? Because these things will help to determine where we turn and how we make sure it does not occur again.
Dr. Brown-Burke is also asking Mayor Delroy Williams to address issues facing vendors at 2 other markets in the corporate area.
So I want to ask the mayor, at the same time that he's looking at the individuals from Railway Ground, to remember the vendors at the Redemption Arcade. And then, of course, please do not forget the vendors at the Constant Spring Market. And these vendors, they haven't been displaced by fire, by arson, or anything like that. They have been displaced by the very action of the KCC.